I'm Henry Casso with Brookfield,
And I'm Christian Heipel with Brookfield.
and we're the connector team. So, first we got started with the proper personal protective equipment. Then we reviewed the criteria for the project in order to develop this fantastic bridge. This is the winning bridge because it takes all of the surface area of the raw material and uses it to support the live load, aka 10 bucks. This bridge is designed with a special deck, corrugated deck that could support heavy materials.
Here on the table, we also have our measuring device that we use to set up the bridge abutments correctly at 4 inches for the specifications. Here's the raw material we used. And we have a few other things. We have our stunt double here, which is really our backup bridge. And we have all of our design criteria that we use to test our bridge too, including threat levels of wind, impact, and lasers.